Ever wondered how much money the actors in the Lord of the Rings trilogy earned? You might be surprised to learn that Cate Blanchett, who played the elegant and powerful elf queen Galadriel, revealed on Watch What Happens Live that she wasn't exactly rolling in riches after appearing in the blockbuster films. So just how much did she make? Well, according to Blanchett herself, not much at all. Despite her impressive acting credentials, including an Academy Award win for Best Actress, Blanchett admitted that she didn't earn a substantial income from The Lord of the Rings. When she asked about her biggest payday, she quickly shot down the idea that it was from those beloved fantasy films. No one got paid anything to do that movie. She confessed, and when pressed about whether she received any back-end deals or profit participation, she again squashed any rumors of hidden wealth. And so why would someone as accomplished as Cate Blanchett take on a high-profile project without expecting a big payout? For Blanchett, it seems that the lure of working with innovative directors was enough to sway her decision. My most memorable experience was collaborating with the director of Braindead. Before many of today's trends and movements took hold, she reminisced. Clearly, artistic fulfillment means something far greater than monetary gain for this talented actress. But fear not, fellow lot of fanatics. There's still plenty of excitement coming from Middle-earth. Although details remain scarce, a brand new film based on everyone's favorite conflicted creature, Gollum, is currently in development, directed by none other than motion capture mastermind Andy Serkis, who originally brought Gollum to life. The film promises to delve deeper into his twisted psyche, with an anticipated release date of 2026. It looks like we may need to wait just a little longer to see him grace our screens one person more. Of course, while we twiddle our thumbs waiting for this highly anticipated flick, there's always the small matter of Amazon Studios' The Rings of Power to keep us entertained. Set to drop its second season later this year, we can hardly contain ourselves, knowing that the sinister force known as Sauron could soon rear his ugly head. Just remember, though, even if they aren't raking in the dough, the dedicated artists are giving us unforgettable performances that stand the test of time. With that said, thanks for tuning in and staying up to date on all things Loader. If you enjoyed learning about Cate Blanchett's modest paydays and everything else we covered today, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, dear viewers, stay curious and keep exploring.